Hi guys, I wanted to share something with you very quickly. I've had this issue for a few days on my MacBook where when I start my Flutter app, I get this message that uplink, um, uplink, where was the error? It says that module applinks has a minimum deployment target of macOS 10.13. And maybe you also have this message, but this is a great indication that that means that our target deployment must be above or at least not under 10.30. What I've tried was updating this platform or OS X here in the pod file, and then I have tried to start the project, but as you can see, as I update the file and start the app, it will show me the same error message because I thought that if I change this, maybe this will solve it. But the thing is, in order to solve this issue, to change the deployment target, what you need to change is this project.bbx project. So as you can see here, you have this macOS X deployment target, and there are 3 of them, so we need to change all 3 of them. So as soon as I change this to 10.13, from there I can start the project, and hopefully it will work. Hopefully. Yeah, I've already tried it, so I'm pretty sure it will work. And maybe to remove these other error messages, please tell me if you know how to do that. And now my app works, and that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching.